turn my jeans into de-stressed jean shorts. So if you don't have any jeans at home that you want to use, I do. I have a couple pair that wear them as jeans anymore, but they work perfectly for this. So if you need to go to a Goodwill, a thrift store, anything like that, vintage stores, a lot of girls actually using the mom jeans. They call them mom jeans. I guess they come up high. They're like high-rise ones. I don't have any of those, or else I would totally do a video on those. I don't wear that kind because it's just like not comfortable for me. A little bit baggy, and you definitely don't want tight ones unless you do like tight jean shorts. That's fine. It's totally up to you, but I do recommend getting like slightly like baggier, not like too baggy. I hope this makes sense. Anyways, that's about like all the tips I have. And then if you can find ones that have a longer zipper, they work best too. And yeah, let's get right into the video, guys. Things you're gonna need is gonna be a pair of jeans, an old pair of jeans, a knife, a pair of scissors. You don't have to use a knife. You could just use the eyebrow pluckers instead. And of course, a washing machine for when you're done. So I'm starting off by drawing a line. I did end up doing them longer. You don't want to cut them too short in the beginning because then you won't be able to really shape them in the end because they will then be too short. And then to cut the other side, all I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this right over and then just cut. And then here, I'm just figuring out now how I want my shape. You kind of want to go down and in. You don't want to cut like straight across. It just looks better that way. And then here you can see I'm just starting to cut those front pieces off, and I did the exact same thing. I just cut one side and then I'm going to go to the next side and cut it exactly the same. And now I'm starting on the back. You always want to make sure you're cutting the back of the shorts a little bit longer, and you also want to go in just like you did with the front. It just, like I said, it looks a little bit better that way. I am leaving my back a little bit longer than most people do. I just thought it would look cute that way. I saw it on a show once and I really wanted to shape them that way. You can pretty much shape these however you want, really. Just cut very slowly, keep trying them on, making sure they're not too short or, you know, not too long. This is all about your preference. And as you can see, I'm just trying them on to make sure I have them cut exactly how I like. And now I'm going to start with cutting. I cut each cut about, I don't know, maybe like 1.5 inches, 2 inches across. You want to do it more on the outside because you definitely don't want your kuka sticking out. And if you cut too far in by the zipper, you're pretty much, that's what's going to happen. So just make sure you kind of like stay on the outside of the shorts. I mean, unless that's the look you're going for. And this is all about preference as well. You pretty much can cut wherever you like. Now here I'm just pulling out the strings that go up and down. There's ones that go like diagonally and then up and down. You want to pull the ones that are going up and down first. And it's really not that hard. Once you get the first one out, it just goes really quickly, as you can see. And now here I'm just taking my knife and pretty much shredding just wherever I want. I'm going to do the tops of the pockets. I'm going to do the back on the very top around my waist. As you can see, I put a hole here and I'm just going to start shredding that part. This is pretty much, like I said, just about what you want. And then do the very bottom. And that's it. You're done. Throw them in the washer and let them dry. And now I'm going to do the exact same thing with these jeans, and I'm just going to do it in a fast forward so you don't have to watch me repeat this process. As you can see, I'm folding these ones up. I wanted kind of like a different look. I didn't want to do exactly the same thing that I did with the other ones. Like how these looked rolled up. I wasn't going to do this, but then I kind of decided I wanted it to look different, as I said. And now I'm just repeating the process, and then I'm going to go ahead and throw these in the washer as well. And that is it, guys. We are done. It didn't take that long. This is so simple and easy. What takes the longest time is getting the strings out to have the white string show. I think that's what take the longest. But other than that, this is like really simple and easy. It's not that hard to do. And it's a really, really good way to recycle those old jeans that you don't wear, especially if they're a little bit baggy on you now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and give me a like and subscribe if you're not already. And to you who already are, like I said before, thank you so much, and I appreciate all of you watching. And let me know in the comments if you end up doing this or if it was a good idea. And also, if you guys do end up doing this, please don't forget to tag me on Instagram or Facebook. I would love to see your photos, and I love you guys, and until next time. Bye guys.